It's 6 a.m. Peeps. I think let's get mad with the music. Bulky's still fucking sleeping. We're procrastinating, we don't want to get up. Hey everyone, so also, y'all don't know where I am. So I'm gonna show you these next few clips, but first let me just show you my view. Do you like the view? I do. It's my best view. Anyway. Here's the next few clips. You're gonna see where I am and why I'm here. Enjoy the video.
So hold on if you want. I don't wanna play this, no. I don't have the patience. And last year was a long one. These days are reruns. I find time for a breakdown. Let's find words, tear these walls down, threw them all away. If I start, then I probably won't stop, cause the world moves on and the lights stay on for the next one. The next one is an ocean. Go out and
So I'm just in this forest right now. It's really foggy, it's really fucking beautiful. I just thought I would like get up out of bed. Fuck it. Let's go to the forest. I want to explore. I've never seen and I've never been in a forest that's like this foggy and shit, so I was like, fuck it, I need to go. I can't just stay in the room and sleep or whatever. I just wanted to go out to see all this fucking beauty. Like, it's just amazing. It's raining, but no raining. It's foggy. Like, we're expecting snow, obviously, in like a few days. But like, I just love this. It's just so beautiful. It just makes me happy. Just look at this. Look at this. If this isn't beautiful, I don't know what is. I really don't know what is. Alright, I'm gonna go and keep walking.
my home is all I have. Whoa. So drive me to the shore, spoken like a real life savior.
I am feeling so free right now. Look at that. I mean, you can't see properly. God damn it. Okay, well, Dinla joined me.
What?
This is Babbe.
Babbe,
What's up, Babbe? Fucking huge.
One tree.
To the shore, spoken like a real life savior. NASCAR, we're just racing in circles again. It's a cold night, city views feel the starlight. Sleeping at the wheel for the first time. It's terrifying when you wake up. A few years later it's a new time. Hard to see how it stands from the inside. Inside, it's dry, it's dry.
On our way to do the commercial. Ready!
Okay, we'll see. Flip.
Huh? Yes,
Такой prep.
Prep. Preparation time. It's gonna be so fucking fun. This is what I'm gonna be driving right now. Malo ne zginu, I'm so sorry. Izvini.
Yo! Hi!
Hajde me skaš jednom.
Koga, tebe?
Gdje? For Instagram. Raja on fleek.
Daleko su tamo. Tamo, ja, kako sva tri ova da budu parkirana, tamo iza planina.
I like the squat for today.
Može šati. Nije šati.
Ja.
Kako bi ti? Znači ima dvije ideje, jedna je skupi se sve trajava skupa, druga snima, dva skupa na sredini, ti kreneš prema meni, znaš, ti odeš desno, ti odeš lijevo, a ja ovdje.
Au.
To je kamen.
Odakle ćeš ti snimati? Hajde. My boy's up there waving at us while we are right there.
Okay, so I'm here recording. They're there. We're in this fucking beautiful, beautiful landscape area. It's just so fucking beautiful. I'll show it better on the video later. Fuck, my hair's a mess. But yeah, it's pretty epic. Bio sam gore, da sam povozio.
Hoćeš koju sliku ti možda? Hoćeš koju sliku ti?
In a few days. Okay, so today was amazing. I hope you've seen those shots. Like, it was just epic, and I think it's clear now after that I'm just doing an ad for Quad Mostar, which is basically like a quad bike place here in Rojšte, which is basically like a protected nature area, like national park actually, that's near Mostar. So yeah, we're here in this hotel. It's all paid. We're doing that, paying us, whatever, all that shit. So yeah, it was just great today. It's not the last time. We're probably gonna do it again, so you're gonna see more shots.
Na koliko? A to je zakućeno, je stalno neko izvinjavam. Što to nam ne uradim, što to radim.
Sorry, how do you zoom in? How do you zoom in?
A,
Oh.
nemoj snimiš, nemoj da se snimam, molim.
A video for change, sljedeći put neki put sada.
A,
Sljedeći put kao promjena.
Just about keep booked. Alright. Okay, so we were riding the fucking quads over there.
Yeah.
I fucking love it.
That's when you go to like Boračko jezero.
Boračko jezero.
Yeah.
Yo, it's so fucked. I kad sam došao kod tam jugo i vamo. Znaš. Šta je ba? To je žensko. Čini mi se. Yeah, I think so. There's no balls hanging, so.
Oh, yep. Oh, she wants attention.
Prawie ljudi mogu. Bro, how this been looking epic, bro? Concentration, dude. Yeah. Yeah, he trying to impress all the girls that are following me. Yes, yes. Evo ovdje. Ovdje desno. Here to the right, bro. Bro, we need to... Ne možeš ti auto. I think there. Viš da se onda razvajaš bude. Oh no, here, fuck. I onda ga parkiraš tu. Jo, pas da ti ne upadne kiša, god damn. You're risking shit, upar će ti tamo gdje se ekran spaja. Look at those woods.
This is the real motherfucking photographer, bitches. Y'all go hire him, bitch.
Idź to mało zobacz. No, ty spory, już.
mi se ruke zagrija od smijeha.
Ja se ne mogu nasmijat. Da sam nekako izobran. Here is my last day out here. Oh, turn the lights on. It is my last day up here in the mountains in this hotel. I'll be going home today, and I'll be going for one final quad bike ride, and I'll enjoy it fully this time. I won't be recording or anything. I just want to take it all in and just enjoy it. I mean, I enjoyed it earlier as well when I was recording, but I enjoyed the recording more than riding on the quads. Get it? So yeah, it was amazing up here. Thank Quad Mastar and everyone else that was with me helping me record, Nur Mohammed and Hadis too. So thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. How about this shit is dope. Znači, bukvalno zadnji put kad sam vidio ovakav snijeg, ono 2011. kad nas je pomelo, not sure if you remember, bukvalno tad zadnji put.